Want to make a shout out to all my dahlia lovers. They're here, and they're in the thousands.
After planting, dahlias can grow anywhere between 90 to 120 days. The longer days are obviously for the larger flowers and plants. If you want your dahlias sooner, consider taking the tubers and planting them indoors 4 to 6 weeks before your last frost. Dahlias will bloom in the first season they are planted and produce dozens and dozens of flowers for you. Dahlias are beautiful by themselves or together with other plants in a vase, or what they're most popular for is in a special event bouquet. Dahlias do best in a full morning sun and as much sun possibly after that. Dahlias grow great in large containers and also reduces the chances of them being eaten by slugs. How should you water your dahlia? Drip irrigation is ideal for dahlias, but if you don't have that, watering it once to twice a week deeply really helps your dahlia. Or if you have a really hot summer, keep an eye out for it wilting. If it wilts, then give it some more water. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a dahlia day.